Hi, everybody. It's Miss Stone with your learning adventure for today. We are going to sort by letter sounds. What I did today was I already sorted the pictures for us, but we have to figure out which bins they go in. So I have my bins here. So we're going to go over our letters today and their sounds. So this is the letter N. N. Can you say that letter? N. We have an uppercase N and a lowercase n. So let's sing our N song. I have a letter, its name is N. This is the sound it makes. The letter N goes. Okay. We have this letter today. This is the letter L. We have an uppercase L and a lowercase L. L. Let's sing our song. I have a letter, its name is L. This is the sound it makes. Oh, 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 oh. The letter L goes oh. My letter A, uppercase A, lowercase a. Let's sing our song. I have a letter, its name is A. This is the sound it makes. Ah, 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 ah. The letter A goes ah. And our last letter for today is the letter K. We have an uppercase K and our lowercase k. I have a letter, its name is K. This is the sound it makes. K, 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 k. The letter K goes K. So now we have to put our pieces in the right bin. So let's see. Let's go over these pictures first. We have a key, ketchup, kite, kangaroo. All right, so let's listen. K, ketchup, kite, kangaroo. Which letter would go with that? I'm going to give you guys two choices. Is it the letter K or the letter A? Which letter goes K? Yes, the K. Good job, everybody. Let's do these down here. We have lemon, lamp, ladybug, leaf. Ready? Let's say it again. Lemon, lamp, ladybug, leaf. All right, I'm going to give you guys two choices again. You ready? Which bin are those pictures going to go in? Are they going to go in my L bin or my N bin? Lemon, lamp. Yes, the L bin. L. Uh-oh. Woo. There we go. Goes in the L bin. Now we have these over here. Let me move the camera so you guys can see them. Animals, alligator, airplane, apple. Animals, alligator, airplane, apple. Okay, which one? N or A? Yes, the A. A can go A or A, like an airplane or apple. Good job, my friends. We have one set left. Necklace, numbers, nest, nickel. Necklace, numbers, nest, nickel. And our last spin is the N sound. Good job, my friends. Thank you for helping me. Woo. Okay. Thank you for helping me put my pictures in their right bin and sorting them by sound. You guys are so smart. I'm so proud of you guys. And I want you to stay happy, healthy, and strong. Remember to wash your hands. Okay. I want to be able to see you guys soon. I love and I miss you very much. And I will see you next time. Okay. Bye.